Managing an online store can be a challenging task. If you lack coding knowledge, it can become even more difficult, particularly when it comes to incorporating tags, codes, or pixels into your website. However, you can ease your worries with the use of Google Tag Manager. It is a free and efficient tool for tracking and collecting data related to your website. GTM tags are user-friendly and can enhance the quality and quantity of data collected without modifying your website's code. So let's explore some of the reasons why it is beneficial for your business. Number 1, saves loads of time. If you do not use GTM, you will require a web developer to add and troubleshoot code on your website, which can be a time-consuming and tedious process. In contrast, with GTM, each tracking event is referred to as tag and can be managed independently, making it simpler and more efficient. Number 2, testing and debugging. GTM allows you to test your tags and identify any issues, ensuring they function correctly. You can view the exact page of your website where the tags are activated, as well as the triggers that initiate them. GTM allows you to test and fix errors in these triggers before deploying them to your website. Number 3, it's free. The ultimate objective of any business owner is to achieve the highest profit while minimizing expenses. Therefore, it is wise to take advantage of any free tools available to expand your business. Number 4, auto event tracking. Auto event variables allow you to access specific information related to an automatic event, such as click, error, or form submissions. For instance, when you click on an image, you can retrieve the image's URL or target link. Similarly, when you submit a form, you can access the form's ID and so on. Number 5, secure and reliable. Google Tag Manager is a secure and reliable platform for managing website tags. It includes a two-factor authentication system that adds an extra layer of security to protect your data. Additionally, you can use the data layer to create allow lists and block lists for specific visitors to your website. Number 6, easy integrations. GTM enhances the capabilities of remarketing when paired with Google Analytics and other platforms. It simplifies the process of tracking unique user identifiers, which can be challenging with just Google Analytics alone. Additionally, GTM facilitates cross-domain tracking across multiple websites. Number 7, reusable templates. With the built-in tags, you can have the flexibility to design templates according to your specific needs. By using custom templates, you can create and configure your own tags, variables, and client templates. And number 8, everything is in one place. Google Tag Manager acts like a toolbox where everything is centralized. With GTM, developers no longer have to search through the source code of a website or app to make changes, additions, or deletions. This eliminates the possibility of human error, such as missing code snippets or inaccurate data. So in simple terms, GTM enables you to analyze website analytics in depth and make data-driven marketing decisions that improve website performance.